Here today, what we're going to be doing is just showing you how I stake my hollyhocks. Nearly call them delphiniums then. As you can see, they're 3-4 foot high and they're right next to this path, so I need to stake them so I can walk up and down safely. Well, I'll show you what I need first. There you go. I've got my wooden stakes, and yeah, this is not for stopping vampires. I've drilled a hole in the end of each one, about probably 2.5 to 3.5 inches. I hammer them in, and then I put the canes in the top. The nice thing about this, you can get them really deep in, and if the canes break, you just pull them out and swap them. So first of all, the wooden stakes, hammer, some green wire, reinforced, and some canes. I'll just get the camera set up. Yeah, the weather's been really bad here in the UK for quite a number of weeks now, so hopefully it's June and the weather should start improving. Let's just get this set up nicely. Yeah, first of all, I'll be using hammer and this. I don't hit the wood directly, so I put this on just to stop it damaging it. Give it some really good taps down. And that's not going anywhere, that. Get the next one in. There's enough room here. You can see not enough room here. Excuse me. Yeah, you want at least one at each side. Give them plenty of support. There we go. That. Get the canes in now. One on each side. That's that one in. And get this one in at the other side. Once this is done, we should be able to withstand any strong wind, and I won't have to worry about them blowing over. Right, some green twine now. You can see that nicely. This is the stuff I use. You get 60 metres for £1 in the UK. Plenty, you can always trim it back later. Let's give this a go. Right, once you've done this side, you want to grind a few times. I find it's best to feed it right around the back, like so. You're going to damage your fuel lease when you do this. Not the end of the world. And back again. Making sure we've got everything nice and tight. Tie it off. Around a few times. You want to leave enough room for them to be able to blow back in the wind a little bit of movement. Not the end of the world. That's tied up. Snip the wire. And that's it. Let's have a look, shall we? See what that's like. Think about this. You can see that pulled them back. nice and straight, and they should do a really good job. The good thing about doing it this way, if these snap here, pull them out, new cane in, not a problem. When you're trying to put shove canes in for tall plants like this, I tend to find that you can't really get them deep enough to do a good enough job. Any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you, bye.